Hi guys, welcome back. I am Abhay and today I am going to unbox and review brand new Dom's brush pens. You're watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's get started. So as I was getting a lot of questions regarding these pens, I thought to give them a try. I bought this set via Amazon and it arrived today. So let's just quickly do the unboxing and see what its outer packaging looks like. So as you can see, it says Dom's brush pens, super soft tip, and if we talk about the pricing, the price mentioned is rupees 200, and you can also purchase them at the same price via Amazon as well. So these pens have actually water-based ink as mentioned, and this is actually a 14 shades pack which contains 12 primary colors and 2 metallic colors. So let's just quickly open it and see what all colors do we have inside. Wow, that is some nice packaging, and we have all the colors here. So as you can see, this is the black, violet, blue, sky blue, and all the others as well, with two separate pens. As you can see on the top, they are metallic colors, gold and silver. So let me just quickly show you the tip of these pens. So this is the kind of tip that we are getting with these brush pens. Let me compare it quickly with the Camlin brush pen that I'm having. And here it is, and these both look very similar to me. I won't say identical because Dom's tip is a little bit taller, but we'll know the real difference after we write with them. So these brush pens will compete with other entry-level brush pens, that is the Camlin and the Agile brush pens. So it is necessary that we compare it with them. I have already shown you Camlin, so here I am having Agile brush pen, and if you have seen my review video of these pens, then you already know that we use this tip for brush lettering, and as you can see, there is a significant difference between these two. Also, if you want to see that video, there is a link in the upper right corner. You can definitely check it out. Now let's check out these metallic colors as well. I love metallic pens as they allow us to write on darker surfaces, and here we have two options, the gold one and the silver one. We are definitely gonna try them out. Now let's put them all back, and we are going to do the most important part, that is writing. And this is the first time I am writing with these pens, and here we go. Oh my god, these are some super soft tips. I mean, it was mentioned on the package, but I didn't expect them to be this soft. Yeah, I mean, they are not lying at all. These are some super soft tips that are available in the market at the moment, and are kinda giving similar feel to that of Camlin brush pens while writing. And you know what, let's compare the maximum stroke width that these both brush pens can provide. So here I am having the Dom's brush pen. So this is the maximum stroke width, and this is the Camlin brush pen. My god, these both look very similar. I would like to say identical. Let's check out other colors as well. And the paper that I'm using here is a 100 GSM paper, and these pens are also very juicy. So I'm going to tell you in a minute what I really meant by that. So this is what I meant by saying very juicy. whatever you have written on one side is getting imprinted on the other side. And since this is a 100 GSM paper, the condition is still good, but if you are using any copy paper, printing paper, it can get worse. So it is recommended that you use a thick paper above 120 GSM or watercolor sheet. So now I'll be writing with all the brush pens that came in this packet, and make sure you watch it till the end to know my opinion on these brush pens, whether you should buy it or not, whether it is a good entry-level brush pen. As a beginner you should buy it or not. So I'll be answering all these questions in the end, so make sure you watch it till the end. Now the metallic colors, although they are much better suitable to write on darker surfaces, which I'll be going to do in a second, but I wanted to show you how they appear on the lighter surface as well. Now let's try them on darker surface as well, and here I'm using black cardstock sheet for that purpose, and it already look amazing. So these two pens are definitely standing out when we compare this set with the others, because none of Camlin or Edgel provides these metallic brush pens in their set. They feel almost same to me while writing as that of Camlin brush pens, and if you are spending 190 rupees on Camlin brush pens, I want you to spend 10 more and purchase this one. Of course, Camlin larger set has more color option, including a neon color, which is amazing, but yeah, when compared with the smaller one, I'm going to recommend DOMS. And if you think 200 is kinda expensive to you, you can definitely buy Edgel ones. They cost around 130 for 12-piece set. So this is it guys in this video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more calligraphy related stuff, and if you have any queries, then please ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And follow me on Instagram to see a lot of calligraphy related tutorials and my daily posts. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Peace out.